Hello, this lesson is from one of our courses over at Print That Thing, where we help people learn 3D print design. If you haven't already, you can get the free startup file to hack Blender for your 3D printer at ptt.live. Let's get to designing. All right, so inside of Blender, you also have another tool called the Grease Pencil. They also call it Annotate, but it's mainly used for 2D animation, but you can draw inside of your scene, inside of Blender, change the color. But notice it's kind of just floating here. If I draw on Suzanne, it's like in the middle of her head. So I'm just going to do Control Z, Control Z. And if you want to draw on your object here, you want to make sure you change the placement from 3D cursor to surface. And that will let you draw on Suzanne here. And notice it's more like projecting onto the surface. And there's not really a way to control these, so you just have to undo, anything you wanted. But you could use them as just kind of reference point. Like if you're like, oh, I'm going to put texture lines here. I don't really know why you would use it, but just wanted you to know that it's there. Or if you want to do some 2D animation, you can watch some videos on that. Also, we're not going to get into it on this course or this workshop, but there is a way to turn your grease pencil lines into kind of like lines or meshes where you can essentially turn them into 3D geometry for maybe 3D printing. I don't know, but it is possible. But just to let you know, you can draw on some objects if your heart feels like it. And then I'm just going to hit undo with Control Z and kind of take all that away. So that's the grease pencil. To learn more about 3D print design, visit ptt.live.